In America, our Constitution provides every citizen the right to a jury trial. A jury trial by one's peers is at the heart of the judicial system and is the great equalizer of power, ensuring that every citizen will be judged fairly and not abused by the big and powerful. Our judicial system exists because crime happens, accidents happen, mistakes happen. Bad things can happen unexpectedly, and we can find our world upside down.
A few years ago, my son was in a terrible accident, and we were told every night it would likely be his last.
My son was 16, and he had an automobile accident with a semi-trailer. He has a traumatic brain injury, and I'll have to take care of him for the rest of his life.
My father was involved in a fatal motorcycle accident. It's a moment that you never can prepare for, especially when it happens so suddenly.
When this happens, where do you turn for help? You need to find a lawyer with a reputation you can trust, a lawyer with expertise as a strong advocate in the courtroom. I'm Dan Moody. I'm a board-certified civil trial lawyer with over 30 years of experience helping the injured in Central Florida. I grew up in Polk County, and I raised a family here. The Moody Law main office is conveniently located right next to the Polk County Courthouse. Sometimes the only power you have is the power to choose the right attorney. I'm proud to have received the AV preeminent rating by my peers and judges through Martindale-Hubbell. This is the highest rating an attorney can achieve in both legal ability and ethics. When you call my office, unlike the big volume law firms, you will discuss your case directly with me and not just a phone operator. I will devote my personal attention to you, and I will know your case firsthand from start to finish. When comparing my firm to a big volume law firm, think of it this way. Do you want to sit and coach in the back of an airplane with cheap service, or do you want to sit in first class with undivided attention for the same price? Insurance companies know how to navigate the system so that they come out ahead. My job is to make sure justice prevails, that you're fully compensated for your injuries. Make no mistake, decisions that are made during these times will have life-changing consequences. We provide you with a peace of mind by letting you know exactly what you need to do, step by step. We fight for you while you take care of yourself and your family.
When you're in a time of confusion, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to say. And at that point, that's when Mr. Moody had come in. He did everything, the legal, the medical, and we never had to worry about anything except taking care of our child.
I looked at other potential lawyers, but Dan Moody came to the hospital and met with me personally. He told me, I can take care of this for you while you take care of your son. Those words, as simple as they were, they took a lot of pressure off of me. Moody Law helped us get through the toughest time of our lives, and certainly the toughest time in my son's life. While we were focused on being there for my son, Moody Law was fighting for us 100% of the time.
What was so incredible is when I called Moody Law, Dan Moody was able to sit down with me and my family, and he was able to really take away all of that stress. You don't realize how much goes into dealing with a case. They explained step by step what was coming up next, what was to be expected, what the options were, which was extremely important to me and my family during our time of need.
The legal system is very complex. That's why I chose to specialize in one particular area of the law, so that I'm better prepared and more confident than anyone else in the courtroom. When you're facing big insurance companies with all the resources, you need someone by your side who has the knowledge, skill, and expertise to win your case. That's what we do.
For me, there is no one better than Dan Moody and Moody Law. They take it personally, and they will fight for you.
He is looking to get justice, and he's willing to do whatever it takes.
He's not afraid to fight, and he will fight to the end. We went all the way to trial, and he did amazing for us. Austin's taken care of now because he didn't just settle, he fought, and he got everything that he could get for us.